Thanks, Jermaine. Former Premier League contenders Limehall Academy were the biggest winners on matchday 4 in the JFF Tier 2 Championship after a 6-2 victory over Baptista Lions at Drats Hall.
It's a perfect record for Limehall Academy, who chalked up their third win on the trot. Baptista Lions went into the game having suffered 2 defeats from their previous 3 outings and were behind from the 9th minute. And even though they fought back to level through Akeem Reed in the 15th minute, that's the closest they came to their opponents. Sajay Anderson led the way for Limehall with a double strike, while the other goals came from Carlos Campbell, Diego McKenzie, Shaquille Kane and CJ Gibbs. Alfonso Trout had Baptista Lions' second goal.
Today's game it's a good result for us, but the way we played, I think we can do much better. And so as the season goes along, we expect to be able to move the ball around better and do what we want them to do.
Our defense is in shambles. I went to the truth, our defense is giving away a lot of goals from the first game to this game now.
The Jamaica Defence Force suffered their third defeat as they were beaten 1-0 by Sakka Club of Brownstown, who benefited from an own goal in the 52nd minute.
I think JDF had much of the better chances in the first half. The second half, it was a different story. We came into our own and we found one.
It was a tough game. We play some good football. We get our chances, and when you don't take a chances in a game, that's the end result,
And Naveed Allen scored in the 13th minute to give Holland PYC a 1-0 win over St. Bess FC at Lacovia.
It wasn't intense, it wasn't fast or quick enough. In the other team, we had a plan that we would just maintain and contain the players that we're playing against, and we ensure that.
Elsewhere, Roaring River blanked Steds Elite 4-0. True Jews had a 2-0 win over Grace Inn. So too did Humble Lion over Falmouth United. Wi-Fi stopped Progressive 1-0, and it was a similar result for Reno over Duncan's FC. Denise Walters for TVJ Sports.